Today I'm here with QUT for a training exercise with the students for spatial sciences. We're deploying a radar corner reflector, which is in the background, and this is really an exercise around showing students how they can impact on satellite remote sensing data.
So this is an introduction to remote sensing. We're looking at everything from satellites to drones, from radar to lasers, and ways of measuring our world and features within the world without actually touching them, so without actually having to be there or be in contact with them.
I think the practical element is really essential for learning in remote sensing, so you can actually see for yourself the impact that you have on the data rather than just learning the dry theoretical side of the subject.
QUT's motto of being at the university for the real world is the core of teaching, and most of the students that are coming through here will be working in industry, so giving them the skills so that they're not green when they hit industry is probably the most value we can give.